Okay, this is one of the welds on the sign project. Okay, so it looks like a pretty decent weld, doesn't it? Pretty uniform, looks like it goes between the angle iron and the pipe. But I was trying to drill through this hole here to put a self-tapping screw in, because this is one of the mounting brackets. And look, this is what happens when your weld is only in the surface and is not into the metal underneath. This was just, if you put your fingernail on there, you'll just barely scrape that. So this weld did not penetrate. It penetrated the angle iron pretty good, and it came underneath the angle iron, but it did not penetrate the pipe. So what I'll have to do when I'm done, when I'm finished putting the sign in, to just check and make sure the sign fits like it's supposed to, and I take the sign frame out so I can take it back to the paint room and paint it this afternoon, I have to go over this weld and make sure that it's into the base metal of the pipe. This is also when welder Steve talks about keeping your metal clean. This has been coated with paint a few times. Those of you that were painting it, I know Nick and Tanner, we don't know if this paint is lead based or not, so we were taking some extra precautions with it. But you can see the primer is this orange color, red color, and then you had the silver paint over the top. That's also part of the issue of why this is not penetrating. So you have to take extra time and care when you're doing this. But I just wanted to show you, welders, this is what happens when you don't have penetration. Looks great, but it's all on the top.